How to grow from 1 to 5 or more cars on Turo. Smart, fast, and profitable scaling strategy. Want to scale your Turo side hustle from 1 car to 5 or more? Here's how to do it smart, fast, and profitably, even if you're starting small. Step 1. Choose the right first car. Start with an economy car or hybrid. Reliable and low maintenance. High rental demand. Examples: Toyota Corolla or Nissan Versa. Profit potential. Earn $600 to $1,000 per month net. Focus on low cost, high ROI. Avoid luxury cars early on. Step 2. Reinvest your profits. Save your first 3 to 6 months of profit. Use for repairs and down payment on your next car. Track every expense. Step 3. Set up your business. Form an LLC. Get a business bank account. Build business credit. Finance in your business name. Step 4. Automate operations. Use remote lockboxes or remote unlock GPS services. Automate messages and guest instructions. Hire a cleaning a partner. Step 5. Smart scaling strategy. Add 1 car at a time. Use low payment, high ROI models. Explore rental arbitrage. Only scale what's already working. Final tips. Reviews equals more bookings. Stick to reliable cars. Know your profit per vehicle. 5 cars at $400 net equals $2,000 per month. Want a free earnings tracker or checklist to launch your first fleet? DM me or drop a comment and I'll send it to you. Subscribe to the channel for more.